The Gabon Constitution refers to the supreme law of the Republic of Gabon, a country located in Central Africa. The current Constitution of Gabon was adopted on March 26, 1991, and has since been amended several times. It provides the legal framework for the organization and functioning of the government, the rights and responsibilities of citizens, and the separation of powers. Here are some of the key silent features of the Gabon Constitution. 1. President. Presidential system. Gabon has a presidential system of government, where the President of the Republic serves as both the head of state and the head of government. The President is elected by popular vote and holds significant executive powers. 2. Separation of powers. The Constitution establishes a separation of powers between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches of government. This division ensures checks and balances to prevent the concentration of power in a single authority. 3. Multi-party democracy. Gabon is a multi-party democracy, allowing the existence of multiple political parties. The Constitution guarantees the right to form political parties and the right to participate in free and fair elections. 4. Fundamental rights and freedoms. The Constitution enshrines fundamental rights and freedoms for Gabonese citizens, such as the right to life, liberty, security, and equality before the law. It also protects freedom of expression, association, and assembly. 5. Protection of minorities. The Constitution recognizes the cultural diversity of Gabon and guarantees the protection of the rights of minority and indigenous communities. 6. Social and economic rights. The Constitution addresses social and economic rights, including the right to work, the right to education, and the right to health care. It emphasizes the importance of social justice and the eradication of poverty. 7. Local governance. The Constitution establishes a system of local governance, allowing for the devolution of power to regional and local authorities. This provision aims to promote decentralized decision-making and community development. 8. Constitutional amendments. The Constitution outlines the procedures for amending its provisions. Amendments require a 2/3 majority vote in the National Assembly or approve through a national referendum, ensuring a stable framework while allowing for necessary changes. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe Advocate Buzzer Shah channel.